Little Critter, Just a Rainy Day by Mercer Mayer. Hi, my name is Werner. I've been reading hundreds of books for you. Please subscribe to get them all. And watch until the end where a surprise is waiting for you. Thank you. Today it is raining. I don't like the rain. Mom said, "You can play inside. It will be fun." I said, "But I don't want to play inside. I want to go somewhere." But Mom said, "The baby is taking a nap. We'll have a quiet day here." I went to my brother's room. He would have something neat to do. But Mom said, "Stay out of your brother's room." I said, "But he has neat stuff." Mom said, "So do you." I went to my room, but I didn't have any neat stuff. So I decided to play dress-up. I went to Mom and Dad's room. I put on Mom's dress and shoes. I went to the baby's room and got some baby clothes to dress the kitty in it. The kitty made so much noise that he woke the baby up. Mom thought I woke the baby up. Mom had to rock the baby, so I thought I would help her and do some housework. I got the vacuum cleaner out, but the bag was full, so I changed it. Mom said the vacuum cleaner made too much noise for the baby to sleep. So I thought I would clean the bathroom. "Mom, why is the toilet making bubbles?" I asked. Since the baby didn't want to sleep, we all went to the mall. Mom said the baby always sleeps at the mall. Boy, did that make me happy. Because I do love going to the mall when it's just a rainy day. We don't get many rainy days where I live, but we get hot days, and then it's good to go to the mall as well, when it is too hot outside. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you. Enjoy my new series Oliver and Jumpy. 19 video books with about 500 pictures. There is text, but I also read it aloud for the younger children. I have written 65 stories and had them illustrated at great cost for your children's fun. Oliver is an elegant tomcat and Jumpy is his lady friend. Oliver loves to ride in Jumpy's pouch when they go for adventures together. Please find a link to the first book in the description of this video. Please always subscribe and like if you find my effort interesting. Thank you so much.